Unplugged is a featurette of Rod-ica, highlighting off-the-cuff, on-the-spot segments, which are served as an appetizer to our upcoming full episodes. These down and dirty segments ditch the production and get right to the point, highlighting impactful pieces that affect our audience. Stay up to date on Rod-ica.com and our social media platforms with ongoing storylines. Stay tuned!
Where the hell did you get this?
Me and my dad built this almost about 30 years ago when I was a kid, and started life as a 71 Oldsmobile Toronado is what the rear is, but the cage is a custom built cage out of Van Nuys, California, and we just home built it in the garage. The front end's out of a 1960 Volkswagen Beetle, and we just built it all together.
How did it end up in California?
That's where I'm originally from.
So you drove all the way out there to pick it up?
I went out there on spring break last week, but it did have a 455 big block in it. We pulled it out because the motor wasn't any good, and we put a 400 horse small block Chevrolet in it.
And how old is it?
30 years, at least.
So you've been working on this with your dad when you were a kid?
Yeah.
So what's the plan for it?
Redoing it, getting it back running.